This episode was brought to you by Hippodrones. Without him, I would not have the part I needed to make my long boy exhaust. Go check out his channel in the link below.
So, this headlight is very cheap. It's £10 or £7.99 or something. As you can see, the inside is all rusted. And this thing keeps on blowing bulbs. This is now the third bulb I've changed, but you can see the inside's gone rusty over time. It's actually pretty nasty in there. See this good old rust building up. So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade it. LED, and hopefully that'll stop the bulb from blowing for now. I might just change it. I'm thinking of changing the front now to a light bar, just an LED light bar, straight across. If that goes again, but this should work. But it's LED, so I think we're going to have it's going to flash. It's not going to be a constant light. I think it's going to be flashing. Soon find out. I've not been kind to this bike. I absolutely thrashed it when it was original, and now that it's had its rebuild, I still thrash it. Apart from this headlight failing, and this front rack has cracked somewhere. Little line there, there's a crack on that. So I have to repair that, but just don't put too much weight on it, it'll be fine. And it also blew out the rear baffle. The rear baffle, there was a baffle in here, and it flew out. And ever since then, it's running a little bit rich. That's pretty rich, so I've just dialed it down a bit on the old carb. Put it back in now, see how it goes. About 2,000 kilometers. 1,000. What's that? 1,600 miles. Maybe I'll put it on screen. Whatever it should be. So, got to work out a way. Mount this on. So my plan is to undo this, slide this in, clamp it down. Should work, in theory. Should we go long? Long boy. I just took what's left out of the old baffle. You can see where it broke. It all fell apart inside. And it chucked out the rest out the back. Nice. Oh, that's much nicer, isn't it? And finally, this on the side. I've just put it up now just so I can get it up at the back gate because it sticks out quite far. Right, let's go give this bike a test ride.
Imports. Original tax £9.91 back in that day. Now
40 years old.
£91.
£91.
£10 in that time.
CB 250, CB 650, 650.
650 custom, they call it, the American one, with the horrible, is it, they call them Comstar wheels, which I'm not too keen on.
Yeah,
Comstar, they're a bit, that's the American.
Honda Comstar, yeah, American style. Audible.
Yeah, they are.
You have to get some spokes.
I want to get all these polished up though, get the old machine on those, just in case.
Very nice.
Quite a good job on it, I think, really, because I went for the slightly grippier and then shiny on the sides, just as a bit of a two-tone. I was going to go for a two-tone colour, but I thought, no, I'll just do the piping, because I wasn't sure whether I'm going to have respray the bright, so if I do that, and then you've got to rechange the seat again. So I thought, no, let's keep it simple, stupid, as they say.
Yep. And my exhaust and camera didn't fall off.
No, it didn't. No, I'm really impressed with that. It sounds good, actually. Actually, at some point I want to go behind you so I can have a good listen.